Ulo, sobrang dumi na ng Boracay. Darating daw ang panahong wala ng dayuhang pupunta roon. Inutusan niya si DNR Secretary Roy Cimatu na linisin ang isla sa loob ng 6 na buwan.
I will close Boracay. Boracay is a cesspool. But you go into the water, it's smelly. Smell of what?
The intervention of the President through the BITF was just very timely. Kung hindi nakapasok, within 5 years, mawawala na ito yung isla. That is the kind of political will that we need for this country. And Boracay can be a showcase of what can be done to correct any problem.
Sa ating mahal na Pangulong Duterte, sa umpisa ng inyong desisyon na sarado yung Boracay, medyo hindi po namin nagustuhan dito sa Boracay, pero naging honest at straightforward po kayo. Salamat at dahil naging matigas kayo na hindi nyo kami pinagbigyan, na itigil yung pagsasara para i-rehabilitate ng Boracay. Kaya